Hey everyone, welcome to TradinginDemand. Today, it was pretty rough, but before we get into all that, I hope everyone had a great day. I hope everyone did what they were supposed to, and yeah, I hope everyone learned some lessons today. I definitely learned a couple lessons, and I'm going to talk with you guys about them. But before we get into that, as I do, as I should, as I shall, if you guys would mind checking out my Discord, I post my trades. I posted my trades today. Negative 9.5 points. Today was rough. You can find the link to that in the bio, by the way, or description. Today was rough for me. I was trading while driving. Not the greatest thing to do, not the smartest thing to do. But we gotta get out there, and I gotta do my trading some way, somehow. But before we get into that, let's just go over some stuff that happened today. So, today we opened up in a pretty tight, no, it actually wasn't that. It was very wicky. There wasn't much clear action. We can actually go back here. Let me scroll back for you guys. As you can see, market was not very clean. We were just holding the value area high of that day. Moved down, we had a point of control sitting down here. And it was just okay. We did have a demand zone at this level. It was a 15-minute zone, so I probably shouldn't have even relied on it. That was probably one of my mistakes. And we also just didn't have a clear plan. I tried, it doesn't show it on here. I tried shorting a move from here. Right here. I tried shorting it like right around here, I think. And first my data was delayed. I didn't realize my data was delayed. Now I have it fixed, and this issue won't be a problem for the near future or at all. So I learned that lesson today. Make sure you check your data. Make sure everything you're trading with is up to date, is accurate. Another thing, I tried shorting when I should have shorted. I did a sim trade yesterday, and it worked. Going here. It won't show. A sim trade yesterday, right here. I took a short as soon as we came in here, shorted, and I wrote it down to about, I think, around here. I tried doing the same thing today. It's not part of my plan. It's not something I should be doing. I was just trying new things out. Shouldn't do that. I should just stick to what I know, stick to what I can do best. And that's my auction market theory and low volume nodes. These have shown to work for me, and I just need to stick with it and stop trying to do new stuff. We also had FOMC minutes today at 2 p.m. Eastern, 1 p.m. my time, Central. And that had us up here around 40.25, 40.20. And we did have a low volume node here. I charted this down while we were coming up to it, so this was not part of my plan. But I saw that we had a deep low volume node here. It also showed on this profile. We tested it here. So I thought it might be a good area to look to get short. It was. I did short. Let me go back to... I did short. But the problem with my short was... It's not gonna show it. Oh, here it is. The problem with my short is I got short here. Got my risk off. That's my first thing. But the reason I closed the second one, there's no reason. It was just not smart. I thought with the FOMC minutes, usually we see a bunch of volatility come in, and we did. But market never even came close to my stop. It never should have been a problem. Since I took my risk off here, I shouldn't have even worried. Not sure what I was doing. It's my first day back, and with the data issues, it doesn't show. But with the data issues, I was just being fearful of losing more money I just need to trust myself more, and this is a continuous problem. Oh, here it is right here. A continuous problem that I'm just not sure why I keep failing at it. I'm going to get better at it, and I always say this, but from now on, I'm just going to take my trade and I'm just not going to touch it. There's no reason. If I get my risk off, why am I touching it? This is a problem that I should not be having, as I have been trading for a little bit. I have a plan. I need to stick to that plan. That's the most important thing that I should do as a trader. Besides that, that's really all I have for my notes. We did form a new 45-minute zone, supply zone I should say, up here at the highs. So that's showing that sellers were here, sellers were around. Sellers were here, sellers were interested at these levels. And I believe if we come back up to it, we might be able to see a reaction of this zone. Maybe it's only a 45-minute zone. It's not too important. I'm trying to take less importance off zones and more importance on how buyers and sellers are reacting at these levels. But we did also form a 45-minute demand zone, drop base rally in 90-minute zone. And when we form demand inside old demand, that shows that buyers are still here and buyers are still around. So we're kind of stuck in between these. Let me fix these down here. Yeah, we're kind of stuck between. We're in the value area of the current week, so it makes sense that we're stuck here. This is the fair value where we're trading. And until buyers or sellers can take initiative and push us higher or lower, I'm not really interested in taking any more trades until we can break this range. Maybe I might try it, because if it follows my plan, if we are outside of value area, then I might have to take long or short. But I just need to be more decisive, just stick to my plan, really. That's my biggest problem at the moment. These videos more of a journal, more of a recap of what I saw throughout the day. Not much, honestly, just a bunch of nothing. There was volatility, but only because the minutes, and that didn't really give us anything. So today was okay. It was pretty good. I hope everyone else traded their plan. I hope everyone else was able to do what they were supposed to and had a great day. If not, it's okay. It happens. We need to get through it. And it's just how trading goes. Besides that, we can get into our levels for the VIX and the USD. I'm still watching these. As I said, we came here and hit resistance, and we never came back and touched it, but it shows that the market is not really feeling as fearful as it was. We are now finding a fair value. I believe. I don't really read the VIX that much, so going to learn more about it. Let me pull up the dollar. The dollar also was actually pretty strong, even with us bouncing. It's actually rallying right now, but we came and hit this level and didn't really show that much weakness. But it's just something to look at, something to think about. But yeah, I think that's really all. I hope everyone, if you guys do watch these, enjoyed it. Anything you guys want to help me improve on, any advice, just leave in the comments, or you can message me in my Discord. I reply to everyone as fast as I can. And yeah, I'm also starting to read. You can go to I'm also starting to read Trading in the Zone. I've read it twice before, but I'm gonna reread it again because I think my biggest problem is not trusting myself as a trader. And that book is incredible. It is an amazing book. There's many audiobooks on YouTube if you guys want to check them out. And yeah, I hope everyone has a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.